Learn how to make pan-fried noodles just like your favorite Chinese restaurant. This easy recipe features golden egg noodles, juicy tiger prawns, honey barbecue pork, and fresh stir-fried vegetables, all brought together in a rich, savory sauce. Perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or an impressive homemade takeout-style meal. Pan-fried noodles with tiger prawns and barbecue pork is a deliciously soft and flavorful dish inspired by classic restaurant favorites. Egg noodles are stir-fried to perfection and topped with juicy tiger prawns, tender slices of honey barbecue pork, and a vibrant mix of fresh vegetables. Tossed in a rich, savory sauce made with soy, garlic, and a hint of oyster sauce. Every bite offers a perfect balance of textures and bold, savory flavors. This dish captures the authentic taste of wok-fried Chinese noodles, delivering a satisfying meal that's both comforting and exciting. Pan-fried noodles with juicy tiger prawns, honey barbecue pork, and crunchy veggies, all tossed in a tasty soy sauce. Perfect for when you want that restaurant flavor at home. My pan-fried noodles recipe is a simple, budget-friendly dish that anyone can make at home. Packed with flavor and easy to customize, it's a perfect meal for beginners. Only costing a few dollars per serving. It's simple to make and delicious for a perfect homemade dinner. Any recommended dishes or similar dishes you want to learn how to cook, just comment below. Thank you for watching my channel. Track me down. Don't forget to like and subscribe.